Hey, welcome back to Simple Shipping Containers, the most innovative shipping container channel on YouTube. And we've got the back unit of a triple 40-foot garage in here. That's 960 square feet. So this wall comes out, the back wall stays, the middle one gets both walls cut out, and the front one we just did a video on. So since we're not cutting both walls out of this container, we pulled it inside because it's cold outside, and this wall flops right out onto the floor. The other one with the both walls getting cut out would need to be flipped around. So next week is supposed to be decent weather, so we will probably do it outside. But the interesting thing about containers is these C channels at the bottom, they're not I-beams, they're not that thick, but a lot of your rigidity of a container are the corrugated sidewalls, obvious or not. I think some people know that, but underestimate just how much of the actual container strength is the sidewall. So containers have almost unlimited strength in the corner post. You can stack these 12 high on a container ship with 59,000 pounds in each one. So you're talking about 500,000 pounds on the bottom container. But when you can stack a 40 on top of another 40 on the corner post, you're not touching the top or bottom beams. Real simple. If you stack a 20, that is, say, 7,000 pounds with an interior finish on the top of a 40, you need to run like 2-inch support beams in the middle here because the roof is not that strong here in the middle, even with the corrugated walls in. Now, you wouldn't have to, it would just be a good idea. But stacking a 40 on top of a 40 is simple. A 20 on top of a 40 is not as straightforward because your corner posts also stick up a little bit, so you need to weld some pads on here for the 20 to sit on. But what I want to show you guys right now is how much the C channel at the bottom drops when you cut a wall out. The bottom of this container is floppy without all the other structures in, and so the container is engineered into a box unit, and they're superbly engineered for the cost and method of construction. They're absolutely brilliant. But here's what I'm going to show you. So we've got 18 and 3/4 inches to the bottom lip of the floor. Let's go see how much this thing drops with the wall cut out. So I'll give you a sec. Take a guess. 2 inches? 3 inches? 5 inches? I haven't measured it. I'm going to guess 3 inches. So here we go. Okay, not as much as I thought. So it dropped about 1 3/4 inches, 1.5 inches. Now, if we cut that back wall out, this thing would probably drop 4 inches. So yeah, about 1.5 inches, 1 3/4 drop in just the floor after cutting one side out. So I just want to show you guys that, and thanks for watching.